The SEBO Automatic X4 upright vacuum masterfully blends German engineering with high-performance cleaning technology, offering effortless cleaning across various surfaces. 1200-watt motor, a powerful motor that delivers exceptional suction, effortlessly lifting dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors alike. Automatic height adjustment intelligently adjusts to the perfect height for different floor types, from low-pile carpets to thicker rugs, ensuring maximum efficiency with every pass. Hospital-grade filtration system, equipped with an S-Class filtration system that captures allergens and fine dust particles, leaving the air in your home cleaner and healthier. Brush control protection automatically shuts off to protect the brush and vacuum if a clog or jam occurs, preserving your vacuum's lifespan. Large dust bag capacity holds up to 5.3 liters of dust and debris, minimizing the need for frequent bag changes and extending cleaning sessions. Full bag indicator alerts you when it's time to replace the dust bag, maintaining consistent suction and efficiency. With these advanced features, the SEBO Automatic X4 ensures an effortless, deep clean with peace of mind.